What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. JP here from Dynamic AI Tech. And if you haven't already done so, could you please hit that like and subscribe button, because we are absolutely getting the word out about finding free or highly discounted AI generation programs, because my goodness, we know how expensive costs can get as content creators. So, and for those of you who are commenting and engaging on the channel, thank you guys so much. You're asking some awesome questions, and I really do enjoy answering those questions, or attempting to answer some of those questions for you guys. So today we are diving right back into CREMI AI, and this is a music video generator, which now also does lip syncing, but we know how important it is to create music videos with our audio. Because yes, people love listening to music, but people love watching and listening to music even more. So it's important to start looking into some music video generators if you haven't. And I'm looking at CREMI, I'm looking at freebie.ai, and I'm looking at one of my favorite, which is OpenArt AI. But CREMI is really making some strides in their generation quality. So we're going to dive into CREMI right now, and we're going to explore three of their models, which is reality, 3D, and anime. And we're going to see which ones we like best, and we're going to have three different types of songs. We're going to have a male vocal song, a female vocal song, and a children's song. Okay, and you can see some of the videos that I created here, and I am very, very happy with the Quietest Christmas. And let me just show you a quick sample of this one. But let me just show you real quick. Let me zoom in for you.
The stars kept watching silver light.
A couple more seconds, you guys.
Held its breath, soft, still, and sweet.
So all I did for that one was upload one image it took my image and it created an amazing music video from a Christmas song I created on Suno AI. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over here to create. Well, we got to upload a song, and we have our song here, On My Feet, Suno. And this is an original song that my friend and we reimagined it in Suno AI. We exported the files or downloaded the stems, and we re-recorded the vocals on top of it. And my goodness, it just came out amazing. Nothing replaces your own voice. There are AI programs, and I've been using Controlla Voice AI, which does a great job at training your voice. It does a good job. However, nothing replaces your real voice. So we download the stems and we re-record all the audio ourselves. And if you can't do that, use a program like Controlla Voice AI. It does a decent job. Okay, so here it is the song. Let me just play a quick snippet. Okay, fine. And then we can prompt this. It's always better to contribute, just because you don't want to only leave it up to chance. So let's see, describe your music video ideas or just paste scenes. So I'm going to type something in here, guys, so bear with me for a sec. All right, so I fed it a lot on a mountain, sunsetting on a beach, walking down the busy street of New York City. Okay, so our aspect ratio is going to be 16:9. For our first model, we're going to be testing realistic. We're going to stick on VO3. And as you can see, CREMI has a bunch of models that it uses. Halu, Sora, Kling, Wan, Runway. So look at this, you guys. So we're going to go ahead. We'll use VO3, which is okay for our realistic. And then let's come down here. So it's going to generate 63 scenes. However, I don't think I want to do the full song. Let's not do the full song. It's 4 minutes. Let's bring it all the way back, because we don't want this demo to be, 3 hours long. We want it to be short for you guys, because I know how much you guys like short and sweet. So we're just going to do a minute and a half, which should get us through the crux of the song. All right, and down here, number of scenes, 23, 4 seconds, and it's going to cost 483 credits. All right, so we're first going to generate the storyboard, and we'll take a look at the images before we generate the video. All right, let's do it. Okay, it analyzed our music, and now we have to come down here. See, it has lyrics analysis, it has instrumentation. We're going to go ahead and create our storyboard. All right, we're back, and here's our storyboard. I like this first image. Okay, a human in their early 30s, mid to early 30s. A subject, okay. It looks like they have a consistent character. Wow. Okay, this does not look like a male. It's a guy singing. So we may regenerate that. Okay. Okay, so it did, mountain. Let's see, did it get a city in here? Yeah, the top one was a city. Yeah, okay. Empty city street. Let's see if I can come down here, regenerate. But I do want to keep the character consistent. And that subject does not look like this subject up here. So let's change this. Let's regenerate this one. Regenerate. Well, I kind of like this one, but let's regenerate it just because it doesn't look like the other characters. So what I need to do is come in here and a man in their early 30s. Let's do that. Let's come up here. This looks good. And that's what's cool about this, guys. It creates a storyboard before it creates the video, so you're not wasting that many credits, right? It only costs a couple of credits to regenerate an image, but it costs hundreds to regenerate a video. So you do want to spend time ensuring that your images are how you want them. Make sense? And let's go ahead to step number 3, which is scenes. Let's generate this. All right, all the scenes for this video have just generated. And the last part is going to part 4, which is final video. All right, let's go ahead and create the final video. Okay, and our video is done. Let's take a look.
I'll trust you when I can't see you, when I'm in darkness. I will fix my eyes. I'll believe when I can't perceive, in times of silence. Still this song will rise. You will be faithful to me, your promise you always keep, your for me, not against. You are my shield and defense. You will come rescue me, and you'll raise me on my feet again.
All right, not bad. If I spent a little bit more time on this, I could probably get the character looking a little bit more consistent, but the B-roll was fantastic. So in a couple of videos, he looks similar, right? But again, not bad from going 0 to video in minutes, right? Okay, we are going to move on to our second model, which is going to be the 3D model. All right, so let's do that now. So we're going to go back to Flow Generator, and we're going to create new. So it's a long intro, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm not going to do the full 4 minutes. I'm going to do about a minute and a half. Yeah, okay, we got a minute and a half queued up. And let's see, the prompt is optional. Why don't we let the AI decide what it wants to do for us? Okay, and we're going to come down here and change this. We're still in 16.9 ratio, but we're going to change this realistic to 3D. And our model is 3.0 fast. We could change this if we want. Let's take a look. Let's do Kling 2.1 for this one. The previous video we used VO3, and let's go ahead and generate our scenes. Oh, by the way, on the bottom, you can dictate how long your scenes are, right? We have 14 scenes at 5 seconds long, comes out to about a minute and a half. So if I want to go 10 seconds, I can do that. 7 scenes. So let's do 5 second, 14 scenes at 5 seconds. Okay. Let's come down here and we can drag and drop a character. And this is what I did with my Christmas video. I brought in an image of myself, but I'm not going to do that with this one. Right now, we're just testing out the quality and the capabilities of each model. Okay, let's go ahead and generate the storyboard. But if you want to make a video with yourself, you would just drag a nice, clean, high-resolution image of yourself in here, and it would generate for you consistent characters throughout your story. Okay, our storyboard images are done. Let's check them out. Neon City. I guess that makes sense, right? There's retro. There's synthwave in this. It's like 80s retro. It looks good. Okay, and this is 3D. So let's go ahead and create our video. Okay, our videos have generated. Let's just take a quick peek. And no, I'm not going to create a new scene. Everything looks good. Let's go ahead and create the final video. All right, the video is done. Let's take a look.
I'm moving sideways, like I don't care anymore. Got your attention. What am I doing this for? 101 now, run from you. Thinking my
So
heart
sad.
would fade. Finding myself far from you, but I can't stay away. But you found me in the same dark place I'm always in, and now in the same dark place I'm always in, and now I see there's always a way back to you again. I'm a disaster. I heard you knock on my door. You called out my name. Don't wanna hide it anymore. And more I run from you, even though I wanna stay. Thinking my shame's too much to show.
Not bad, not bad. A couple of mistakes in there. Spend a little time going over all of your images to make sure that everything is according to your standards. And then, yeah, so good that we're done with this. We just finished the 3D model, and we're going to go ahead to the next video and do anime. All right, let's do it. So hop over to Flow Generator, select our file. Okay, here it is.
God made you and me when you
So let's come down here. Well, let's see. Describe your music ideas or paste scenes here. Oh, you know what I'm going to do? Let me go to ChatGPT and let me drag in the track. And I'm going to have ChatGPT give me the prompt for this video. I love using our secret weapon, ChatGPT, to help us maximize the success of our generations. So it looks like I'm going to use these here. So I'm going to give CREMI AI ideas. And then we're going to change the video style to anime. And Kling 2.1 Master is pretty good for animations. So we'll keep it at Kling. Let's see if we can go a little bit higher. 2K resolution, cinematic. And we are not going to upload a character for this. 18 scenes at 5 seconds. All right, let's go ahead and generate this final song. Okay, our storyboard is done. Let's take a quick peek. Interesting clothing for Noah's time. Come down here. Welcome, little ones. Love the scarves on the giraffes, the hats on the bears. Really interesting. So it looks like the characters are remaining fairly consistent, and that's what we're looking for. And a nice ending right there. I think this would do fairly well on a children's channel. All right, let's go ahead and generate the video. Okay, so our videos have generated. Awesome. And then we're going to go ahead and create our final video. Okay, our video is done. Let's check it out.
Rainy clouds in the sky. God told Noah, build it high.
Hammer, saw, wood and glue. Big boat ready just for you. 2 by 2, God cares for you. Elephants, lions, kangaroos. Storm may roar, but this is true. God holds tight to me and you. 2 by 2.
God cares for you. God cares for you.
Okay, not bad, not bad. Again, I could have tweaked a couple of those images in the storyboard. The animals came out. It was like a zebra hybrid thing in there, but again, not too bad. I would say this: use these programs that I'm recommending at your own risk, because they may work for me, but they may not work for you. And AI, it's temperamental, right? It can get weird. So I'm going to leave a link in the description to CREMI AI. I'm also going to leave a link in the description for OpenArt AI, which is my other go-to music video generator. Thank you guys for watching, and let me know in the comments below what you thought about the generations of CREMI AI. And if you have used it, let me know. Once again, if you could just hit that like and subscribe button, it would be awesome to have you as a part of our community. And leave comments, and let's engage together. If you have questions, I'd be happy to answer them for you if I can. If I don't have an answer, I'll let you know that too. And I will see you all on the next video.